Hello ma'am, this is Chelsea, your 1 course US to notate, and this is my experiment on indexes and sequence. An index is a special lookup table that database search engine uses to speed up data retrieval. Index is a pointer to derive data on a table. In my first query, I have to create an index of the column on the customer table. For that, the syntax is create index, then index name I1 on the customer table city. Now in my next query, I have to create index on the order table, order ID, column of the order table. For that, my query is create index I2 on the order table's order ID. So when I execute this, it shows the already indexed column. Now in my next query, I have to create a composite index on the product table on attribute, product ID and product description. For that, the syntax is create index I3 on the product, then the product ID and description. So index is created on the product table's product ID and description. Next, I have to create a functional index on the customer table attribute, that is on CNAME, that is on upper name. So to create index on the customer table's attribute CNAME, I am using create index I4 on the customer table's customer, then uppercase on the customer name. In my next question, I have to create a bitmap index on the gender field of the supplier table. For that, my syntax is create a bitmap index, index name, that is I5 on the supplier table's gender. In my next query, I have to drop the last created index. For dropping the syntax, it's drop index then the index name. My last index is I5, so my index is drop index I5. Next, I have to create a sequence. Next, I have to create a sequence. Sequence is generates a numerical value according to the specification with which the sequence was generated. In my next question, I have to create a sequence with the order ID of the order table. For that, my query is create sequence name, then min value equal 115 and max value 300. That starts with 315. Now in my next question, I have to display the values. So my syntax is insert values into the order table, and for ID use sequence number, insert into order ID, order date, customer ID, then values. Say I am using secret.nextval, then the values. Thank you for watching.